Every journey starts with a destination, but this time it's not just a place, it's a quest, an inner search for something more. Today, I arrive at Varanasi, the city of light, the city of life and death. My journey started from the waiting room of Kolkata station. My train was Shabdbhedi Express, which departed at 10:45 p.m. I was finding my coach, and after I found out, I boarded it. As the train started, my heart skipped a bit. It was dark night, so there was nothing as such to show you. So I didn't capture much. Well, it's almost 5:30 now. I just woke up and people are still asleep. So it's like almost 1 hour to reach Gaya station. Let me show you the interior of the stain of this train. So yeah, let's go. This is the automatical door, and yeah, it's looking like a morgue only. Where is my coach? Where is my coach? I think this is my coach. Yes. It's 5 a.m. and the train hums like a heartbeat, carrying me towards a city of stories. In the distance, the Namo Ghat perfectly stands as a harmony of new and old. Kashi reveals itself, temples rising above the chaos, lights filling every corner. At last, Varanasi Junction. This isn't just a station, it's the gateway to a world waiting to be discovered. Hey everyone, so I reached Varanasi, Banaras, solo again, and just now I have reached and I boarded off from the train. Now I will search for the exit, and then I'm hoping that I will book a cab to the Gonda station Varanasi, because yeah, this is Varanasi, this is where my current destination is. We will enjoy, we will do a spiritual journey together, we will do so much fun as well. So be with me, let's go. So I came out from the platform to the main junction. So this is the Varanasi junction. I searched for a cab, but I ended up booking a auto from this station to my Wonder Station hostel. So I have booked an auto from Varanasi station to our Wonder Station. Varanasi Junction to Wonder Station. So they are taking 200 rupees, which is, they are saying that in general kiraya or rate. So let me reach there and we'll see more. Hello travelers, so I have reached Wonder Station and Sagar Bhaiya has picked me up. Hi. So yeah, so I have checked, I haven't checked in yet. The check-in time here is 1 p.m. right? Yes. 1 p.m. So I will be waiting in the common area. Here it is. Many luggages and people are also there. So I will be waiting there, and today's plan, as Sagar Bhaiya said, I will be freshen up and we'll go to the Kashi Vishwanath temple, and we'll go to the Kalbhairav temple, and we'll take some leisure time in the Ganga Ghats. So it is a very, the ghat is only 3 to 4 7 minutes away, you can say. So as per the location. So yeah, this is the current scenario. and I have came here from the JNK Bank. Vasant ji picked me from there, and I reached there from by the auto. So yeah, this is the update for now. I will stay tuned. Hello people, so I have arrived in the at the Chowshotti Ghat. I'm sorry, my English is going gibberish and more and more. I don't know why, but yeah, I have arrived at the ghat because my check-in time is, as I told you, 1 p.m. So from here I will roam around to the places. There is the Shashwamedh Ghat that way. After that, Manikarnika. Here you can see the boatings and all are going on. There is a sea ghat, and I'm currently in Chowshotti Ghat. So be with me and I will show you around. Let's explore Banaras together. This is a ghat as well. This is Darbhanga Ghat, and as you can see, these palaces were made for the kings and the Rajputana and the like older places or persons, but now they have been replaced or they have been got taken leased as hotel rooms. As you can see, there are hotel windows are there and people are staying. So this is somewhat called Brijam. Yeah, Brijama Palace. So this has been taken the tourist places. As you can see, the paintings are being sold here, and this is the artist. What's your name?
Nitish Prajapati.
Nitish is the artist. So these are very beautiful paintings. So you can come here and buy this. So I have reached the Shashwamedh Ghat, and this is a very sunny day today, and winter is here, but I'm not feeling anything. So yeah, this is the crowdiest ghat. Hello. So this is the crowdiest place of all the places, and the Shashwamedh Ghat is the famous one. So yeah, I'm roaming around here, and as you can see, a lot of people are crowd, and this is nothing when the sun will set down. The sun will set down, it will be more crowded. All of this steps will be full with the people, and here the Aarti takes places. So yeah, there is the scene right now. You can see the puja dalis are being sold here, and I will go forward to see what's more there. So this place I remember, I came with my ma and Mashi and all, I mean with my family the last time. That is the thing I can remember right now, and many things has been changed by now. So the river police commissioner at Varanasi, they are rounding there, and the ghat are mostly, I can say, clean, because I can see the dedicated people has been allotted here to clean the ghats. So like the puja thalis and the puja flowers and all who like throws over here, they are taking that, and they, oh my god, kids, they are taking that and they are cleaning the places. So here you can like do the Ganga Snan. People are doing as well. Those are the boats. They are taking boats. Like there are many fairs, but from a wonder station only they told me that they will arrange a boat ride for me. Like yeah, they will take money, but yeah, they will arrange something. So I am like depending upon that. Okay. So yeah, this is a place, I mean, what I can say, I don't know why I chose like over the mountains. I mean, yeah, I know this is the last place or the first place of the, you know, Hindu mythology and all. Okay, you are not able to see me. So but I don't know why I chose this place, but I thought of like let's go for this time to the Varanasi and check out the places, take the photographs, because somewhere in I don't know, in myself it's like I felt that I should go here, I should take a chance and visit this place, because generally I don't go to the spiritual places. I mean, don't take me otherwise, but the proper Hindu crowded places, okay, like I'm not demeaning my religion, okay, but for that thing only, for the crowded thing, for the noises around these places, somehow I thought that okay, let's go, let's take a chance. So I came here and I'm exploring, I'm showing you guys as well. So the mountain lover came now for to the spiritual place, which earlier time I used to avoid actually. So yeah, that is the thing right now. Let's go, let's explore more. Okay, so you might be seeing me totally exhausted and all. It was very much sunny outside, and I have reached my dorm. This is 302. This much narrow space. These are the stairs, rooftop. There is a cafe out there, as well as the scenic beauty of Ghat. So this is the third floor. Let me show you how the dorm is. So we have kept our shoes and all there. I have put my spare shoes. There's a mirror. This is the common bathroom. They have their locker system, and these are the dorms. This is mine. So yeah, let me freshen up, and for now I will take some rest. I have done my lunch actually, so we'll rest and we'll see the other things, other activities in the evening. So bye bye. So I'm going towards Kalvairav, and from the Wonder session only they told me that to take the Rapido or the bike to go faster there. So I'm walking towards, and this is my new mount. This is the Telsin necklace mount. So you might have you might be wondering that why are you seeing the Smurfs views, but yeah, I'm the shorter one, so the POV will be shorter. But yeah, it's a new thing, so I'm trying it out. And बनारस की गलियों से गुजरते हुए जा रहे हैं हम अभी. So yeah, so I have booked a Rapido. Actually I don't know how it will, how the experience will be, but let's try the wife here. Okay, I'm the sturdy one, so let's try and hope for the best. I will keep you updated. So first day I couldn't visit the Kashi Vishwanath temple, but I started from the Kalvairav Mandir. They say the Kalvairav is the gatekeeper of Varanasi. So first you take the blessings from Kalvairav, then you visit the other mandirs. So I have reached Kalvairav Mandir, and I'm now going towards it. Let's see. This is the gate of the Kalvairav, and here the traffic is, oh my god, mind blown, totally mind blown. So yeah, the congestion already have started from here. Let's see how it goes. So I have brought this puja ka thali from this shop, and I have put my shoes or chappals here, and there is a very bustling crowd. So yeah, waiting for the queue. Let's see. So there was totally different aura in the Kalvaram Mandir, and I really liked it. So the evening came and I started feeling very much hungry. So I again booked a Rapido and headed towards to have my dinner at that time. So now I am going to a like famous place, you can say. I don't know. I am like trying the first time. So there is a Vatika cafe or pizzeria cafe, something is there in the Sighat. So I actually, my Rapido like left me behind somewhat, but yeah, I'm going and just exploring the galias still. Let me show you. This side, if I go straight, I will reach Asighat. So yeah, let's go. Let me reach there and I'll show you. So I have reached the Vatika cafe, which is a famous one, the pizzeria, and I have ordered a alio olio and nana mint. So yeah, but suddenly all of a sudden everything is gone, like shut down. So I think they are working in generator only. So yeah, that's the one I have ordered. I will show you once it comes back. Oh my God, the light is on. So travelers, you are lucky. So this was the oldest pizzeria in Varanasi, and they used to make in an old way. Finally, my alio olio came with the pudina drink. With this, I'm ending the video. Next up, I will take you to the streets of Sarnath and also will show you the Ganga Aarti.